Yo.
Yo. Hey, chat. Hey, friends. Does Sean know about this shit? He had alluded to it, but he didn't say.
I don't know if he does or not. I haven't posted
something like Friends 2.0 or something like that. I don't know. Like when he came on my stream to say what's up. I don't know. I don't care if he does. But
I have no idea. He hasn't been on any of the streams that we've done.
No, he hasn't.
I did use the same, what do you call it though? The same short. You know, that's like a giveaway, I guess. I don't know. Dude, you got the unlimited windows going on. Hey,
let me get
friends. Oh man. How'd you finish?
I restarted my whole laptop, so now everything is on fucking gold. I hate when that happens.
How'd you finish up?
Not up.
Nah.
I mean, I got accounts that are looking good, but I fucked up. I thought Apple earnings was going to be better than it was. It was like literally a fucking nothing burger.
I thought it was going to go down, if anything. And
yeah, I was in short, and it did go down a little bit, and then it bounced, and then I literally got bottom ticked and top ticked. No, I got top ticked, then I got bottom ticked. And then I wanted to get a quick flip into my trade days, another set of new trade days. And I forgot to create a group and turn the group on, and I went in with 3 fucking contracts of crude, and it went against me in one account.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going, man. Doesn't matter.
I never got in on the crude.
Crude is nice, man. Like if you could wait and be patient in terms of the fibs, it's real fucking nice. But right now, it's even, yeah, I mean, it rejected off of 707. I just thought it was gonna like hang around the VWAP, and it just kept going down.
I just couldn't. I never got in on the crude.
It's cool. It's not bad. You just gotta,
you know, JP Morgan shit before we even get into anything. Did you see this?
Yeah, stuff? Dude, I was gonna post it in our crypto chat, but
bro.
You're fucking fish head fucking as in the cannons like me. You know what I did right after I saw that? I went and looked for her.
Oh, yeah.
See what those cannons look like. She got cannons.
Bro, not gonna lie. I'm working at JP Morgan and this girl saying some freaky shit like that. Like
he said she was drugging him and then sucking his dick against his will.
Bro, it doesn't even have to be against my will. I'd be like, just tell me what time. Where are we meeting and what time?
Oh my God.
I'm in. Listen, if you want me to take a Molly, I'm in too. Like, I don't understand what the problem was.
Yeah, yeah. I don't.
Bro.
I don't know. And when did this happen? How long ago did this happen? Like 5 years ago, 3 years ago?
Bro, I would have kept that going whenever it started till now.
Yeah, but maybe she got off on the
racism.
On the fact that he was fighting it. So I would just keep like, I don't like, oh no, please don't, no.
Yeah, I'd be like that too. Oh no, please.
It's like with all these fucking teachers, bro.
Please, not another blowjob.
Where were these teachers when I was in fucking high school?
I know, bro. Where was JP Morgan when I would have went and
JP Morgan.
I'm about to apply right now. Yo, can someone give me the link to sign up?
Yeah. I'm going to ask them if they need a prop firm trader.
Oh, no. Again?
Yeah.
Bro, guys living the dream, losing it. Oh,
fucking wild. The world is just fucking shit, bro. But it's stuff like that makes it good. Whoop.
You know you're doing that on the main screen, right? Whatever you're doing.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm going to set up a poll.
Yeah.
Say yes or no.
Yo, smash the like button for good luck.
If you're real. And pound that like button. Like roast beef.
But yeah, man, it's freaking that JP Morgan stuff is wild. I mean, yo, the AI videos that people are making about it are even crazier. Obviously, I'm watching. I posted one on X, dude.
Hey,
Crazy.
You're
That guy's
fucking,
gonna get paid out, bro.
he's about to get paid.
He's
You know how
about
many
to get
prop firm? You know how many prop firm accounts he's going to be able to buy with that shit?
Yo, I don't understand why he just didn't shut his mouth. I'd rather not get paid and just keep riding all the perks. To be honest, all right? I wouldn't say shit.
Oh my god, it's fucking crazy.
I would just keep it
Is
rolling.
this market open yet?
Dude,
No.
I'm about to slam gold like no other. I got my copy trader up. I'm foaming now that Apex Apex has gold back, bro, but not on every account.
What?
Yo, so what's weird is Apex. All right, ready? Apex new account, I can only trade minis. Apex old account, I could trade micros. And new evals, I could trade micros, but I can't trade on the new funded. I can only trade minis.
Do you think they know that?
I don't know. I emailed them and asked. I said, "Yo, like, what's the deal with gold? Like, why?"
Who'd you email?
Nah, just main support.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
And
you gotta be careful
asked,
if you hit up the same our mutual contact. He might take offense to it and fucking,
How are you in anything now? I thought I saw the price, the shit.
No, it ain't moving, bro. It's not. I don't know why it's not working.
Your dollar move. I was like, "Yo, how'd you do that?"
Yo, look, I don't know why. It's just like it's like frozen. What the fuck's going? Oh, the market's closed.
Yeah. But I saw your dollar move. I was like, how'd that move? Because we're closed.
But like anyway, back to this whole gold thing. I can tell you one thing. Every time I stream, and I'm sure you get it too, people are always asking me, when is Apex bringing back gold? When are they bringing back gold?
Oh yeah.
And now they brought it back. So, people just love to complain about Apex. It's one less thing that they have to complain about because now they can't say that Apex won't let you trade metals. It's not just gold, it's all metals. It's whatever they took away, they brought back. But yeah, it's a little weird that you can't trade micros in a funded account. I don't know if they know that.
Something about rhythmic accounts were like weird too. Like they couldn't trade gold this morning in their rhythmic accounts. But then somebody else said they did. I don't know if somebody hit the button and it's got to like roll off. I don't exactly know what happens.
Were they screaming, "Where's the button?"
Yo,
like rips
ass hats. Yo, I almost made a freaking. I was going to make one of those memes that says "Mark safe from being called an ass hat." But I don't know, man.
Mark safe from being called fucking annoying.
Freaking, I just find it that I like that they're back on gold, obviously.
Yeah, it's great because if that's your sweet spot, now you could
Yeah, I had to
be a little bit more aggressive with your accounts or whatever.
Dude, I had 17 funded accounts with Apex that were basically at the buffer with gold, and then they shut it off on me.
And then you had to trade thank you.
I was like, oh no.
I guess that didn't work out too well.
I was debating on whether to just flip one micro a week until they turned it back on, which would have been fine. But then I wouldn't have got, I wouldn't have got all those payouts. So it would have sucked.
Yeah.
Kind of want the payouts. But,
I get it.
It is what it is. But I'm glad it's back. Now I'm just going to start building it back up and
building it back better.
Building back better, obviously.
Yeah.
Talk about coming back, bro. Did you see Tradeify? I heard the rumor is they're coming back with that trade cup shit. They did that.
Yeah. I found out from you. Here's my thoughts on trading cups. I think it's great, but it's mostly great for the prop firm only. Because
it's definitely great for the prop firm.
You don't need I get it. And people that like to do it, they want to participate, especially like influencers and all that, us included. But I just don't. I did it once with the Trade Day Cup. It was cool, but at the same time, I just didn't give a fuck. And it was basically taking me away from the potential of making real money. Yeah, sure, you can make money in the trading cup. You got to place high.
Dude, or you got to make a lot of fucking money for weeks.
Yeah, you got to beat out. You got to beat out a bunch of other people.
Yeah. Yo, and it's
I'm
not like
having-
a
yo.
show. You can't vote them off. You got to beat them off.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, you got to spend. You got to whack. You got to whack them.
But you know,
play a game
you're
of
right.
fucking-
You're not just trading the market. You're trading against other dudes. So you gotta like,
You got to whack bag them.
you know, you gotta beat the market and then make more money than other people. Like, listen,
Yeah, I did it once, and I don't even trade with them. I don't trade with Tradeify, but I did it with Trade Day, and it was cool at first. And then I was like, why am I doing this? It's the only way I could get money from trading these accounts is if I beat all these other people. Whereas all I have to do is just beat myself. All I got to do is beat myself to get a payout. And I've been like me personally, I've been having trouble the last couple of months. Just I've been trading like total fucking shit. So, you know, it's been hard. Why would I want to fucking waste my time in a trading cup? I don't know.
I'm with you. Like, it definitely takes your focus off of your main stuff to go over there. Now, if I contacted them last time to do a team and they declined me as a team, if they allow me to have a team, I'm in it. If I can't have a team, I'll probably do the free account, fucking YOLO it, and be like, whatever. Like, I don't care. You know,
Team
like
Fren.
Dude, I would do a freaking
Prop firm
Kobe
Fren.
team. I would do one if you wanted to do it. That'd be freaking.
I don't know.
That'd be awesome.
I don't fuck with them. I don't fuck with Brett.
I know. I'm just saying.
At some point, I might get over that. I just haven't yet. I don't know.
Oh, listen, I'm not going to talk about that now, but yeah. I understand where you're coming from, but
it's nothing personal.
No, I would do my own team, but like if they're not going to give me a team, I'm not going to do it. Like I'm not going to be like, oh, you know, it'd be fun to do it with the community, but outside of that,
it's really just for clout. It's really just for clout, especially with as many people participating.
You have to get lucky. You definitely have to get lucky. Because you don't have a lot of time. And then also at the same time, man, like you got to get lucky. And on top of getting lucky, you got to really YOLO and take some big freaking chances, man.
Well, that's the only way. Because that's how the people that win are going to do that at least once. And then you could you could do that and get lucky. And then you'll actually, sometimes you don't even have to trade at all because other people are just going to drop off and fuck their accounts up. And you'll just see yourself going up. Without even
last time, like you didn't have to make much to make the first cut, but at some point you got to start risking, you know, risking almost the account to keep going. By the way, what's up? If you're new here, say what's up.
Yeah, we were bouncing around between like 6 and 8 people. Say hi in the chat. Take that little poll. Look at our poll. Take a look at our poll and just say yes or no. It doesn't matter. We just want to see if anyone real is coming on because this is obviously a brand new channel, but we're not new to the space. We both have our own channels.
We just like shooting the shit together, having fun, and this is the outlet. Yeah,
this is the outlet to just talk, you know, just talk a bunch of shit about the industry. Not in a bad way, just talk about what's going on. It's like more like a podcast, you know?
That's pretty much what this is like. It's more like a podcast.
What it evolves to, what it evolves into, you know, we'll see. But if you're here, just say what's up in the chat.
It doesn't
or fucking at the very least. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Say yes or no on the poll. Subscribe.
It feels so good to smash the like button.
Yeah. Just say what's up. Don't be a stranger. Don't be afraid. Say what's up.
Please.
You don't have to. Like button. Just do it. Just say yes or no if you were real. We just want to know if any real people were here. Because it says we have 8 people watching right now.
I'm sure people hanging out. I just want to have some fun, man. Say what's up. Shoot the shit.
Ask about prop firm trading. It keeps going from 6 to 8. Motherfuckers. Anyway, just kidding.
I know.
Yo, I know this wasn't one of our topics, but we have to talk about this. I totally forgot. So, Scott Treestay.
Oh, shit.
known rug puller and bankruptcy declarer and clawbacker. The guy that used to own Fast Track Trading.
And then Armpit Trading.
Started a new firm, although he was the chief technology officer. That's what he called himself. It was called the Prop Pit. It lasted a couple of months and had as many as 195 traders. As of right now, it had 195 existing traders. I don't know why that was even in their little notification, but they're done. They're fucking done, son. They're going under.
Dude, that was fast.
At least, it's better that it didn't. I don't understand why anybody would give that dude money, unless they didn't know any better.
No, because you get a clawback. I got the clawback message from Fast Track.
Yeah, because you got some money from them.
Yeah, I took a payout.
Before you got rug pulled. Let's just put it, if anybody even comes across this, Fast Track Trading came out of nowhere, burst onto the scene, was like one of the hottest firms.
Yeah.
Long story short, without getting into all the intricate details, it lasted like 4 months. It was good for like 4 months, and then the shit hit the fan. All of a sudden, they couldn't make payouts. They couldn't, people were fucking getting fucked left and right. People were waiting weeks for payouts. They finally got paid, and then a month later, they basically lasted from like April to fucking October. In October of 2024, they fucking went under. They rug pulled everybody. People got fucked out of. There were people that got approved on payouts, and then all of a sudden they did a retroactive rule change, and then all these people that were approved millions of dollars combined worth of payouts were now denied, and their accounts were breached. And then anybody who was still left over, they ended up getting rug pulled anyway. And then a bunch of affiliates got fucked out of their commissions. Everybody got fucked. Then they declared bankruptcy. Then there was a whole class action lawsuit, which was supposed to help the people that got fucked. It turns out they got fucked again, and they got clawed back on anyone who did get money got clawed back for this because of this fucking class action lawsuit, and because they declared bankruptcy, they needed to recover all the funds so they could disperse it to the class.
And I'm not saying what to do, but when they reached out for me for the clawback, you could negotiate a large reduction.
Yeah, but I'll give you fucking 10% of this if you're lucky.
Yeah, mine was less than 50%.
Yeah,
and I wrote it.
And you had to pay though.
I know. I just didn't want to deal with it, to be honest with you. And obviously, I'm making money, and I was like, you know what? For $500, I get this fucking.
So leave me the fuck alone.
I don't even want to think about it, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I'm sorry I brought it up. It's a sour subject. I knew better than to even fuck with them, and I caught a lot of shit for fucking not fucking with them.
Well, you know what the problem is? I didn't mess with them for ages, and all these people were getting paid, and then people I knew were getting paid. Yeah. And I was like, whatever, man. I guess I'll jump in. Yeah. At the very end, I had like 7 accounts that were taken from me that were, funded. The rules just were, no commissions. I don't know.
They accepted crypto as payment only. They didn't have merchant processing. It was bad. So you couldn't charge them back. But enough about them. A lot of people already know about that. But what happened was the guy launches a new prop firm called the Prop Pit, and then it just went under. So he didn't even get a chance to fuck everybody. But yeah,
I don't even think that was gone. What was it on for, like a day or two?
Nah, it was around for a few months. Just nobody really knew about it. He had a Discord. He was always just a pompous fucking prick who just, I don't know.
There's no coming back now. That's his second failed prop firm.
Yeah, but this time I don't know. I mean, there's people that might be due payouts. I don't even know.
I will say I'm gonna go to the auction though. I'm gonna auction for his 1985 BMW with 300,000 miles on it.
Well, that's the funniest part. He was buying fucking exotics, but years old exotics.
And then rent.
He was gonna start I guess a Toro or something. He was gonna have a Toro business. I don't even know what he was planning on doing. But then he had to fucking forfeit them over because of the bankruptcy proceedings. So the joke I always say when I'm fucking streaming it on my channel and just in general is because there's this guy Rips who he runs this fucking YouTube ad for his fucking stream that says, you see this car and this car? What about this car? So I say that Rips got those the cars that Rips fucking shows off are the fucking cars he got from Scott Treestay's fucking Fast Track bankruptcy auction. He got them for pennies on the dollar. So it's I fucking make fun of all of that shit.
My car and my car and my car.
Hey, Rips here. But yeah, I'm glad that shit's done with. That guy has a fucking set of balls for even fucking trying to come back.
Dude, I don't know what he's gonna do though. I've seen Facebook. Back in the day, I saw Facebook complaint, Facebook parent group complaints about him and shit.
Oh my God.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, exactly.
It sucks because there's 195 traders that lost out.
They might get their money back.
Well,
they can charge back
accounts probably. Maybe 40 people had accounts.
Well, that was part of the reason it just never took off because it was his. The bet
Yeah.
if he was smart, if he was fucking smart, he wouldn't. But he can't help himself. But if he was
He should
smart,
put his name on it.
yeah, he wouldn't have fucking said anything about it. He would have just kept it. Mum's the word. Prop pit, just another firm out there that people could try to build or whatever.
Yeah.
But no, he had to fucking rub it in everyone's fucking face that that he launched another prop firm despite everything that went down and how many people he fucked over for millions and millions and millions of dollars. Anyway, I gotta take a piss, so I'll be right back.
Go for it. What's up, everybody? Yo, if you're hanging out on here, say something in the chat. Say what's up. Market's about to open in 20 minutes. I'm going to trade some gold in a little bit. Definitely trade some freaking gold. I'm going to go freaking crazy on gold. Yo, now that they just enabled it. But yeah, man, say what's up. We traded today. Got payouts. Dude, things are looking pretty good over here. Things are looking pretty good. Yo, who there? Say what's up in the chat. Anyone trading Asia Open? Dude, actually, you know what? I am going to look for Asia Open and see what I can do. My copy trader's up. I'm using Ninja. Maybe I can rip gold on the open. Oh, man. But yeah. It's been
Anybody real on this shit yet?
What's up?
Not a single vote, huh? Not a single vote.
No votes. There's definitely people.
They're all gonna fucking regret it one day.
Yo,
Just
first person that says something on here might get something.
Yeah.
You never know.
You never fucking know.
Never know.
I wish hold on, let me find it. I'm gonna hide my screen. I'm gonna see if I can find something, a graphic.
I wish I was a ball shot caller. 20 dreams.
Hold on a sec. I'm gonna find this shit.
Find it.
Oh man, I'm looking for a graphic.
What you looking for? Bro, I found this Suno song I was playing the other day. It was called I'm not even gonna get into it. They took it off Suno though. Just looking. I'm looking at the news. Bro, this Iran shit's going back and forth. It doesn't stop, man. Air defenses, they're talking about air defenses engaging small drones.
Yeah, I saw that.
Over in Iran. Yeah, it seems like I think at some point it just breaks out again. Israel rushed laser systems to UAE to assist air defense against Iran missiles. I just don't think. I don't know. I don't think it's going to stop. Did you see? Did we talk about tech earnings by any chance? We didn't talk about that yet, right?
No, we didn't talk about that.
Dude, freaking tech earnings are crazy. Like the market's at all-time highs, and the tech earnings are coming in with like double beats for the most. Like some of them are, some of them aren't, but like they're just pushing them to freaking the market. Literally doesn't stop, but it doesn't go up like this. Like at some point there's just so much air under us that it's just gonna swoop up and just drop. Like I understand that the earnings are great, but they're overvaluing. Like a lot of these companies like Amazon are invested into Anthropic. I think Amazon owns like 15 to 19% of it. Is
whoops,
got some crazy valuation. And I think it's great. I think Amazon's going to be over $300 soon, but it's just not stopping. Like the market's just not stopping at all.
The AI, it's all because it's like this AI fucking circle jerk.
But what people don't realize is A, it's a circle jerk. Two, a lot of these companies, they're not all going to win on AI. Like a lot of these companies spending on AI might not see that money back. This reminds me of like the metaverse and all that other shit. Like Facebook invested in the metaverse because it was the hot thing. Yeah. At some point, they're going to pull back their spending and just say, hey, like it's not worth me investing in this anymore. All it takes is one tech company to say, hey, it's not worth the money we're investing. And the dominoes are going to start turning over, and it's just going to be a massive pullback. Because you got to think, if somebody says it's not, say Meta says it's not worth it anymore, right? Yo, Nvidia is going to drop, and then Amazon's going to drop, and Microsoft's going to drop, and all these make up a ridiculous percent of the NASDAQ, and it's just going to freaking yank back majorly. That's one thing I'm looking for coming up. And you know what? We may be in the beginning of AI. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now. Like this might be the beginning and this might trend up for another 2 years. But at some point, the amount of money they're spending isn't going to be worth it. And they're going to pull back the spending. And that is going to be when I think the dominoes are going to pull back. I also think other companies are going to start making chips, and I don't know. I don't think we're peaking AI, but I think as the earnings come out, it's interesting on how much they're spending on AI, and that's I don't know if it's going to be worth it at the end.
Well, yeah, it's just kind of like, isn't NVIDIA the company, or is it a different company where they inflate their fucking revenue because people are renting chips from them or something like that?
NVIDIA's chips, are being like given and then rented back, and then they rent them back. They're also like, I don't know, like NVIDIA invests in OpenAI, and then OpenAI in turn buys chips back from NVIDIA. Probably the same with like Anthropic. I don't know, but that's a big circle that they're doing.
And then they keep investing in each other. The same money is just being passed around. Is it even leaving their bank accounts? That's the, you know what I mean?
I don't know, but like they're investing in companies that are willing to buy the chips from them. So it's kind of like, I'll invest in you if you buy my chips. So like NVIDIA is investing in a company. The company in return buys chips, so it boosts their sales. And then this company gets a boost because NVIDIA is investing in them.
Yeah, and then it gets announced. It gets announced in the news, and then everybody's like, "Oh my god!"
Yeah, but like at some point, that company is going to have to, show gains or no gains, and that's going to be a big problem. That's going to be a huge problem. Like if there's no gains, all this investment, all these it's at some point there's going to be a pullback. It's just, is that going to happen?
It's inevitable.
Now, probably not, but it might happen 8 months from now. It might happen a year from now. I don't know. But at some point, these AI companies are going to have to prove their worth. Like, what is it? OpenAI is like, what is it? 1.5? What Open AI?
Dude, I don't even fucking know, man.
Yeah. What is it value? Dude, basically OpenAI valuation is 852 billion. And they were saying that once it goes public, it could be like 1.5 trillion, which is one of the biggest companies in the fucking world. And I don't even know if they're OpenAI. Revenue. You ready for this? 25 billion. So the revenue is 25 billion.
What is the revenue based on? How are they generating revenue? Is that just them getting people to give them money?
It's just AI tools, I guess.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they're
Sure it
making
is.
25 billion, but they're going to go public at like 1.5 trillion. Like it's just,
It's a fucking joke. It's a joke.
yeah. What's crazy is Elon Musk is suing OpenAI, but then Elon Musk says basically like if he wins, he's not going to get the money, um, or something like that. Sue,
What is he suing
yo,
them for?
Elon's going after him, but like
Why?
it's, oh, man. Yeah, I'll hold on. It's very interesting, because OpenAI, I think, was originally a nonprofit, and then they got all these benefits of a nonprofit, and then went profit. Um,
So they were scheming and scamming.
yeah, it's something crazy like that. Like, all right, so here's the cliff notes. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by Musk. That's interesting. Musk, Altman, and others as a nonprofit AI lab. The mission was to build AI benefits. Musk helped fund it, 40 million. Musk left OpenAI in 2018. And then basically Musk's claim is that AI betrayed its mission. Basically, it shifted from nonprofit to profit and became too aligned with Microsoft. Basically putting money over AI safety. You know, lawsuits about competition is AI company. That's what AI's response is. It's going to be interesting, man.
It's
Basically,
whatever.
he's claiming the breach of nonprofit and the misuse of funding.
Is he still a part of the company?
I'd say he left in 2018.
Oh, and then they flipped to a for profit, and he wants some of it. Basically,
He said that, I think he wrote somewhere that if he won, he wants none of the money, which then kills their whole case on Musk is doing this for the money.
yeah.
And
Well, he
that's
doesn't
what
need
Musk
it.
wanted to do.
Yeah.
So, which is interesting because if Musk does that, then it's harder to build a defense. Like it's easy to be like, oh, Musk wants money out of this.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's crazy.
Well, he has Grok, so
His vision is open source AI safety first. OpenAI's current path is closed models, massive funding. Yeah. I don't know. It's the whole AI thing is crazy, man. Like AI is. I see the perks of AI. Obviously, like I want to buy one of those robots when Musk comes out with it.
Well, that's why I'm
Oh,
always very
9 minutes to open, bro. I'm gonna slam contracts. Yo, who's watching? Who wants to slam some contracts on open?
Yeah, we were just up to 8 again.
I know. Who wants to slam Yo, somebody's talk in the chat, and we'll slam some contracts on open. You want to see some fucking degenerate trading?
That's why, like, when I communicate, when I talk to ChatGPT and put in my prompts and my requests, I'm very polite, because when the shit hits the fan and the fucking machines turn on us, I want my ChatGPT to remember how nice I was to it, so it protects me or something, where it doesn't come from me, you know?
Bro, my robot, when they turn on us, it's gonna be like, yo, I remember you asked for a blowjob 4 times a day. It's gonna come right after me. Nah, I'm just messing.
I remember you calling me a fucking Asian fish head, or whatever the fuck that. What did she call it?
Whatever fucking that JP Morganson. Yeah, I
got
want
it.
one of those robots. So I'm gonna buy one of those Tesla robots when they come
what's
out.
the fucking what? Oh, here it is.
Fish head.
Hold on. I bet your little Asian fish head wife doesn't have these cannons.
Bro.
That wasn't me. That's what Lorna Hajini said.
Bro, that girl's
from Chase to her fucking
you don't think that
subordinate
girl,
employee,
bro,
who she made a sex slave.
That guy could have done anything he wanted,
bro.
I would have maximized that shit.
What an idiot!
I know. I would have maximized that.
Yeah, he maximized. He's trying to maximize his payout on the way out. Speaking of payouts, did you know? Well, I know you know, but let me pull up this graphic. This is Topstep. They just announced this like last week or earlier this week.
Oh yeah, we were talking about that.
Yeah. Were we talking about it on the last stream? I don't
Yeah,
remember.
I put the video out yesterday.
Oh, so we don't need to talk about this shit anymore?
No, we talked about it.
What did they do recently though? They just changed their pricing. They lowered their prices by $10.
Yeah, he
Doesn't
was
matter.
trying to say that he's the cheapest all in, but like
Yeah,
they're
okay.
not.
No, you're not, bro.
Not even close.
Nice try though, you fucking jerk off. All right, so we don't need to talk about them. Fuck them.
Yeah.
Dude,
I don't think we've traded together in ages. Are we about
I'm not
to trade
trading
together?
this shit. I'm not trading this shit. I traded the open yesterday and fucked up basically every account I had. So I'm not even fucking looking at this shit until later. I don't even care. I got to run to the store with my wife.
Yeah.
And I got to fucking.
I usually see what happens. If it pulls back, not out.
I could see it pulling back. I don't get where Apple's earnings. I don't think they were good. Oh, now we're up 4%. So they had the fucking phone call. They had the conference call.
Yo,
I guess they made everybody feel more confident in everything.
That's where. Well, they got the new CEO.
So it's going to gap up. It's going to gap
out.
What up?
Tim Cook left out.
Yeah.
Right?
Tim Cook left. Yep. No, he's like a chairman now. He went into an advisory role or some shit.
Oh, I mean,
he's still part of the company, but he's not the day-to-day. He's not the CEO anymore.
I mean, Tim Cook could do whatever the fuck he wants. I mean, he ran that company since Jobs left, I think, right?
He did a good job keeping them from going under, considering Jobs was, the guy that made them.
They haven't even done anything new. Give me the latest Apple.
They got the M
Apple product.
They got the M chips and that was the newest thing. Like they put out the M, they're up to the M5 chip or whatever, but they had the M1 chip. They went away from
Intel. M5 chips.
I think so. They're up to M5.
But you know what I'm saying, though, right? Like, dude, what are they?
I bet the market gaps up. I'll stay on for another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just to see if it gaps up. I just want to see if it gaps up and starts pumping. Maybe I will trade. I don't know. We'll see. I'll hang out for a couple of minutes though until into the market open. But I gotta go soon. I'm gonna go to the nearest fucking Chase Bank and put an application in.
Bro, if I was in my 20s and some girl was talking like that, bro, I would be like, first of all, I wouldn't tell anybody because I wouldn't want to ruin it. Then I would start talking that shit right back to her. And like, it would make for a fucking awesome work experience.
I was able to find one picture of her. I think it's real, and she does have cannons. I confirmed.
Yeah. I've seen a bunch of pictures.
Yeah. How many of them were real?
I went down the rabbit hole, bro.
How many of them were real though? Yeah, her profiles, her Instagram profile is private now. So
I saw her college photos, bro. I went all the way back.
You went back to fucking.
I looked at
her fucking first communion,
dude. I was like, damn. Yeah. Oh, baby. It's crazy. Dude, this is going to open in less than 4 minutes. Oh, my God.
I think we gap up. Because it was such a disappointing nothing burger. It was this. This was it right here. This fucking shit.
Bro.
You want to be like the Hedge Brothers?
Yo, which way you going? I'm not doing that.
No, I'm probably not even.
That's so crazy that they do that shit. Or maybe not.
Do they? Who the fuck knows?
Who cares? Fucking losers.
Fuck
them. That's why. Yo, what's up in the chat? Say what's up, guys. I actually like this stream this time, to be honest with you.
Oh, good.
Yo, say what's up. We about to slam some contract, peeps.
I don't know if
you want a free account, you better talk in the chat. Yo, if you want to win a free account, you better talk in the chat.
With a free prop firm account. You better say fucking something.
Say something.
Okay. All right. Guess there's no one here.
All right. Just remember that.
That's fine.
We'll remember you.
Yeah. I know. Don't worry. I can find you. I will find you. And I will
find you.
I have a particular set of skills. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah, man. was just looking at doing a quick look through real fast before we go live. Not before
Plus,
we go live.
if you look too, we're fucking flagging hard.
Dude, I think this could go up for another 200 points overnight, man. It's stupid.
It wants 28,000.
Bro, it wants 30,000 at this point.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it hits 30,000 at some point this year.
I didn't think we were going to make all-time highs this year, to be honest with you.
All we needed was some good earnings. I mean, the thing about that yesterday was just I've never seen that before. Where I'm actually paying attention.
Bro, that was so many. That was 12.
Yeah, I've never seen all five companies that can move the market by themselves, all having earnings one after the other at the same time, basically.
Bro, June quarter revenue to increase 14 to 17% year over year, despite supply constraints on Apple.
That's why they're popping right now.
That's probably why.
They're up 3.5%.
Yeah, look,
all-time high. They got to like
margins are going to increase.
They got as high as 289 or something like that. Let's see, right here, 288, almost 289. They're at 281 right now after hours. Are they going to make a new all-time high?
Yo, Iran's foreign ministry, quick results from talks with U.S. Not realistic.
Oh, well, that's going to fucking fuck up the whole which is going to win, Apple or fucking Iran? Where'd you see that? How far down? Here we go. Quick results from talks with U.S. Not realistic. All right, cool.
I pay. Yo, oh, you don't pay. I pay for Pro on Financial Juice.
Do you?
Yeah, you get it like a couple minutes earlier.
Yeah, you got to be on top. Well, you have the voice going.
Nah, bro. Did you just see fucking gold, bro?
Oh wait, hold on a second. We're open. Where's the candle? Where the fuck are we? Are we up? Why don't I see candles? What the fuck
gold went up like 10.
Oh, I'm looking at crude.
Oh man.
Hold on a sec. God damn it, I'm missing out. Oh,
bro,
that's crude.
Yo, you know what I was thinking about on like gold? Like you wait the first two. What?
It just went up like 140 ticks, and now it's down.
Yo, I was thinking about playing the gap fill back down. Like when it opens, it does that shit over.
Yeah, NQ did gap up a little. It popped a little bit.
Yeah, I want to see it go back to 600, and then I'll probably.
So like I was drawing. Hold on. I feel like I have my poll drawn somewhere. Where did I have my poll drawn? I had a flag and poll drawn. Let me draw a new one.
Are you trading this shit or no?
I don't fucking know. No. If I'm smart, I won't touch this shit. All right, so we have.
It actually hit my fucking TP on.
Oh, that you had before?
Yeah, I had TP at like 46, and it actually hit the fucking TP.
All right, so I got my pole here. I gave it a little bit more girth, right? And now I'm going to draw my flag. So here's one flag, right? And we literally just fucking rejected off of the top of that flag. Believe it or not. I'm not cheating when I drew this flag. You know, it's pretty much right there. And then here's the bottom of the flag. Right there. So, and then I had a tan line drawn from. I had a tan line.
Are you gonna save everybody $6,500 and show us your tan
Watch
line?
this. Here's what you get from Tory for $6,500.
Yo,
we did break the tan line, but I don't know, because I was worried because of Apple. There it is. So here's the flag. And here's the tan line. I should make this a different color so we can tell the difference. One's a flag and one's a tan line.
Saving everybody $6,500.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
There. That looks more like a tan line anyway. Depending on your, where you're from,
Where you're from?
Let's see. All right.
You're welcome.
I should make it more like a tan line. Hold on. Let me.
Dude, make it white like a cocaine line.
There you go. Yeah, that's more like a tan line kind of sorta. But yeah, I ain't fucking with this shit. I ain't fucking with this.
You know?
Hell no. We're in this like fucking channel here too because of the flag. I don't know. Fuck this shit. What did gold do? Yeah. All right. Well, I've seen enough of this shit. I gotta bounce.
You're out. I might get in right here.
All right. Have fun.
Yeah.
Whoever was here, thank you so much.
Yo, see what's up if you're here real fast before we head out.
Last chance to fucking say hello.
Last chance, and we'll give away something free.
We keep bouncing from if you say hello in the chat, you will get a free account from one of these prop firms. Not
right
a
now,
shit account.
you got to say what's up in the chat.
Yeah, you got fucking 10 seconds. Because I keep seeing it go from like 4 to 8.
Yo,
watching now. So I don't know if it's
somebody's on. If they want a free account, all you got to do is type in the chat.
Type in the chat, vote, any of that.
Smash the like button.
Let's see, we're back up to 8.
So easy. It's the easiest
I
way to earn
think
a free account.
I think it's us. Like I'm on with I got my phone on. I got
I don't know,
tabs.
Man. That's a lot. I don't know.
I don't know. You don't have 4 open, right?
No.
Yeah, so I don't know.
Did you hear
all you had to do was fucking say hello. It wasn't that big of a deal, and you would have got a free account. Oh well.
Well,
you snooze, you lose. All right, bro. I'll talk to you later. I got to fucking bounce. If anyone was here and you're still here, thank you. If you were shy, that's fine. But I'll talk to you soon. Have a great night, friends. Peace.
Later, friends.